centralized production and distribution is a cause of unresolved problems in most industries. In critical situations such as COVID-19, they face disrupted supply chains and irregular delivery times, leading them to incur in higher inventory costs that end becoming obsolete. The sector demands technologies to produce parts according to the specific needs in real time, aligning with the trends of Industry 4.0 in terms of sustainability, efficiency, and quality. Which is the problem that we come to solve? There are several: high cost in physical warehouses and logistics, obsolescence of assets, long downtime and high cost in case of unexpected failures, and high reliance on global supply chains. Which is the solution? On-demand manufacturing allows the reduction of stocks, the reduction of delivery times from months to days, and the optimization of the supply chain. All this is possible with 3D printing, but its full industrialization is still far from being a reality, with identified challenges such as lack of traceability and complicated management of intellectual property. What does ADDVANCE propose? We offer to our customers the key tool, a smart manufacturing management platform covering from the creation of digital inventory to the execution of remote production in autonomous manufacturing cells. With our complete solution, we increase process efficiency, drastically reduce inventory cost, and give an immediate response to the needs of spare parts where they are needed, gaining in sustainability, competitiveness, and safety of the entire process. We make tomorrow possible today.